And today we're just playing a ring fight. Chop. Who's there, J Money? You like my outfit, bro? Just text me yes. If you like my outfit, just text me yes. That's because he always be fighting in there. Text me yes if you like my outfit with the KSG sign on the back door. I know you spectating, J Money, cause I saw it. Come out. Come out. Ooh. Yeah. Go ahead and let me know. Not stupid. Why you always running? Like, stop running. Like,
you running?
J Money. Wait, do you have a mic? I forgot. Hey, what's up, twin? What's good, twin? What y'all doing? Twin, what y'all doing? Cause I'm doing a ring fight right now.
Okay. Oh, I fell off. What? I tripped. What kind of stuff is that? Whoever made this death run is stupid. The run is never won yet. He can make it. Good job. Good job.
He made it! Oh my god!
Oh,
CJ's good! CJ's a master, man. He just made it.
Hold on.
Look! Look at my charger! It's charger right here! Huh?
Here we go.
Put a band in the charger out there. You put a ring in it. You try to take one.
Bro, be my twin. Ooh. Bro, what's his name again? Bro, be my twin, bro. Be my twin. You gotta have the same outfit with me. And the logo on the back. You see the logo on the back? Yeah, be my twin, bro. So we could do this again. What? Nah, if you don't let me up, you trash. If you don't let me up, you trash. What's good, J Money? What's good, J Money? What's good, J Money? Bro, I'm saying what's good and you're not responding. The frick, bro. I'm beating up one of you. Oh my god. Yeah, J Money, no lag running. Come on. Bring that out here, boy. Nope. Chop. You gonna let your teammate just get chopped like that, bro? Really, bro? Really, bro? Why you running? Stop running. I'm not stupid, bro. You're dead. Stop running, bro. Damn. Chop him. No, you not. Oh, I was about to say if you chop my friend, bro. But yeah, you better run, trash boy. You better run. Don't run. You don't run a life off. In the kitchen with just like stir fry. Nah, if you don't let me get up, you trash. Yeah, you trash. Bitch. Yeah, Nick. Oh. Oh, weave. We weave. I beat both y'all down. Bro, beat him up. Ah, dang. Bet. I'm gonna chop you like that. Bet. Jump. Chop. Wait. Stupid. Wait. 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 Ooh, ooh, ooh. Bro, leave this. I want you to be my twin. Go to free mode. Go to free mode. Go to free mode. Press free mode, bro. You gotta be my twin. You gotta be my twin. 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 Mama, I know wanna sign up. Lick my wrist and conda. Like my dad, I'm a grinder. She don't want me locked up. Mama, I'm a watcher. Lick my wrist and conda. Like my dad, I'm a grinder. Oh yeah, she don't want me locked up.
Why are you fucking running me over?
And my Uzi vert. Mama, I don't watch
That's what you get.
Lick my wrist and conda.
Boys.
Like my dad, I'm a grinder. Oh yeah, she don't want me
You
locked
ran me
up.
over.
Mama, I'm a watcher. Lick my wrist and conda. Like my dad, I'm a grinder. Oh yeah. My wrist and conda. Like my dad, grinder. Oh yeah. She don't want me locked up. Bro. Come to me, bro. I'ma drive to you. Hey. Where you at? Where you at? You're somewhere. How you don't know where you... What? Who says that? Got him. Boy, you don't want to get... Aw, dang. Come on, Alright, take one of your cars. Come on. You're not taking my car, because it's broke. No, not today. We go to the other side today. Where you at? The restaurant or in the car? Doing what? What? So how you wanna go to the what? You're really Alright, I'm gonna tell you everything to get, bro. Everything to get, and you have enough money for it. I know you do. You're not broke. You're not a broke boy. So you too. You're not a broke boy or a broke girl. Whatever. I don't care. Our controller died. Stop shooting, bro. Stop shooting. Stop shooting. Paper. Look at my doggy.
Hey, I know we've got that other thing. You're still working on that, right? Right? Great. Okay, well, I've got something else. Something so big and so secret. We've got to hide it under 1,000 tons of reinforced concrete. Buy an ex-government facility on Maze Bank, and I'll meet you over there. This'll make...
Sorry, bro. My controller died, and then I was showing my girlfriend, my dog. Yeah, you heard that. You heard that. I don't give a shiz. Alright, so first, come on. Come on, get in. Come on. You go to tops, right here, go to tops. Now scroll down until you see hoodies. Go to hoodies. Are you at hoodies? I don't know, cause you don't have a mic. Alright, so go to Ash long jean hoodie. It's 64. Go to 64 after when you're at hoodies. Go to 64 and buy it. Hoodies 64. Buy it.
I really need a snack.
Yes, that one. Alright, come on. Now pants. Where's the pants at? The pants is over here. Alright, now scroll down until you see leather pants. And then you see the second one. You see the second one, right? The second one. The second one of leather pants. Now put on that. The second one of leather pants. Go to level. Just because it's facing on my leg. Yeah, so when you go to leather pants, go to the second one. Leather, second. Dude, go to the pants. What you doing? You're not wearing that. You gotta wear the same thing I'm going to. Go to pants. Alright. You don't have enough money? Okay. Alright, go to hats. Go to hats then. Go to hats. Go to hats. No, matter of fact, go to tops. Go to tops.
I really don't want to.
Now, go to tops. Alright, now go down to crew emblem is the very last one. And just buy it. It's probably like I heard that. I heard you. I hear that Lil Uzi Vert. Lil Uzi gang. Lil Uzi gang.
All I seem to do is cover the shifts of girls who've been.
Alright, let's go, cause you don't even have enough money. So let's just go.
Don't ask.
Wait, did you get it? Oh. Yeah, but you don't have enough money for it, so we gotta do like a. We're gonna do a running gun, and I'm gonna let you kill me. You can chop me anything, running gun. Alright, so I'll let you kill me. Wait, you laughing at these? Oh, thought so. Got him. Alright, I'm gonna let you win, bro. I'm gonna let you win. Alright, you need to change that hairstyle, cause I hate it. Hello, that's you talking, bro? You could just kill me, kill me. Kill me. Kill me. Kill me. Thanks. I don't want that. I'm just gonna let it. Bro, turn him off, cause I hate him. He's stupid. The only song that I like about him is No Smoke. That's it. I'm gonna let you win. I'm gonna let you win. I'm gonna let you win. Hey, Choppy. He chopped me. No, cause I'm letting him win, cause he can't buy anything, and I need him to look like me. Now, cause look at my outfit, look at my outfit. It look lit. Don't kill me yet, bro. Don't kill me yet. Don't kill me yet. Look at my outfit. You see the sign on the back? You see the sign on the back? See the sign on the back? Yeah. Yeah, I need him to look like me. Now you can kill me. Now you can kill me, bro. Kill me. Kill me, bro. Kill me. My girlfriend. That's what I'm talking to. I'm talking to my girlfriend. She's on the phone with me. I'm using my iPad. Ugly ass boy. I wasn't talking about you, so hop off. Yeah, you didn't know that. Yeah, you didn't know that. You didn't know if I was talking to you or not. Exactly. You didn't know that. Oh, mother. Is that your backup phone? Why you keep on calling me on your new phone? I'm tired of it. Cause what? I took the thing. I took the SIM card. Quiet, boy. Sorry, I had to kill you. Well, I really want you to get this money, so you could easily just chop me or anything. Chop me or anything. Oh, man, what? Did you put it on the card? Bro, you don't have an ADX aux? You don't have okay, bro, okay. partly only in my bed and my mom, I'm sorry. Bro, kill me, why are you running? Got him. Alright. Got him. Alright, yeah, let's out. Gotta try to put it on me. Anybody on my bed. Did you just say niggas? I'm not your nigga. I heard that. But why is it only here? Oh, I actually killed you by then? Sorry, bro. I didn't know. I actually killed him like that. New freezer. Ooh. Ooh. Eat it. Stop changing the song. I wanna. Ooh. 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 Alright, if you don't turn that pussy ass nigga off, I'm gonna beat your ass and his. I don't freaking care if he's older than me. Ew, you look ugly when you do that. Ugly eye boy. Ugly eye boy. Come on, kill me before I kill you. Told you. No, she's playing it. She's playing it. If I was actually playing it, I would have used my boombox. It's called HomePod that you don't have. You want to go to Walmart and buy it? Which other one? What are you doing? Oh my god. You can't dance. You can't dance better than me though. That's a fact. No, what? He was just over here. He was right there. The fuck? Me and your crew. Who's your crew? Your girlfriends? Your girlfriends? Do you know what girlfriend means? It's two meanings. Is that your friend's a girl. And then there's another one where you be like, licking that pussy. Smack me with this girl. Pistol whip me. Thank you. Ew. Ew. That's disgusting. You're disgusting. Wait, please. Hands off. Two-seaters. Put a chop top with either. You freezer. Yo, bitch, wanna find my air for you. You freezer. I wanna check on my money. Money. How come? Either. Put a chop top with either. Your freezer. Put your top with an eater. I had to brush my teeth, pick up the phone. Bitch, what? Fucking you, mama, no hut. Getting that pussy like that, bitch, what? Oh, why fucking dodge? Why she wanna eat a slut? Bitch, what? I'm gonna put on a little Dicky Freaky Friday because I could easily connect it from YouTube. See, you see this button right here? I tap it and then my thing is called living room. No, you didn't.
What is your preference between the two?
Alright, let me just skip that part.
This round would change bodies.
Hey. fighting man. It's tattoos on my neck. Oh, so well. What I learned to you my nigga, we are my niggas, you pussy ass nigga, but fuck y'all niggas. I'm that nigga, I'm that nigga. I know this surrounds body. I wanted to turn into Freaky Friday. I need to turn it's Freaky Friday. Freaky Friday, I know this sounds body. Bitch said something about the balls. What the fuck? Hey yo, you looking at the other man's balls? Chris Brown's body. I love this to turn into Freaky Friday. I'll be right on the sideways. It's Freaky Friday. It's Freaky Friday. I make Chris Brown's body. I look at myself. It's my dream. Hey yo. Chris Brown's body. What is it turning to Freaky Friday? I'm to the sideways. I know that it's Freaky Friday. It's Chris Brown's was. What the fuck? DJ Kelly. Why am I yelling? Kelly Jenner, I got vagina. Vagina. Morning. That shit is funny. Shit's funny. Bro, join my session and go to game chat, cause I'm in game chat.
Just join our party. Me, Jamie, and what's the name is in the...
Hey, bro. Join my party right now. Join my party. Join my party, bro. Join it. I'm not gonna kill you. Just join my party, bro. What the frick? I wasn't gonna kill you. Join my party. Hey, go up. Get up. Hold up, let me put my hood on. Join my party. Plug walk. Plug walk. No, you could easily just join. You could easily just join, bro. Just join. Like, go to the party thing where you could join people, and then it should say my name in Tony's party, and just join it from there. Blow up. Blow up. Hey! I don't really understand what the room I chose up. Ooh. What's it? Huh? What? Alright. She gonna be, bro. I'm gonna invite my friend. He's supposed to be my.
Morse Mutual, we're here to help. I think we can do that.
Bro, Tony, you ready? Tony, you can be my twin now? Because, no, don't kick Joner89. Don't kick him. He's my friend. Don't kick Joner89. Is the second to last. Next to Tony. Don't kick him. Don't.
Invite me to the session. Invite me to the session. Invite me. Invite me to the session. I'm talking to Sanjay.
Other side, we got.
Sanjay!
What?
Invite me.
Alright, I'll invite you. I'll invite all y'all. All y'all joined my session. All y'all joined my session. I invited you.
Man, I'm coming out. Look,
But I'm about to play.
I'm on there.
Cut.
Oh, why you got my damn lighter? What is that? Your phone is just red. Oh, somebody named Iron Man. Let's play Iron Man. Iron Man.
The
Iron
other
Man
side.
80.
Oh, Del, fuck a dog. We got. Bro, what the frick? Why did you? Oh my god, bro. I hate when people keep on doing that. Keep blowing up my mic.
I'm in Sunday session.
MMI, we expect the unexpected. I'll look into it.
Come through. Hey, you. Hey.
Hey, buy my BMA. Hey, drive my BMA. Hey, oh, I'm gonna get my purple outfit. Oh, I'm gonna get my purple outfit. I'm gonna get my purple outfit.
Bro, I'll meet you at the clothes store. I'll meet you at the clothes store, bro. Alright, y'all in the party? Y'all in the session? Alright, Tony, go to the clothes store that I'm going to. Alright, and, are you in my crew? No, you didn't even change it. You didn't even put your email. You didn't put your email. I need twin brothers, bro. You gotta put in your email.
Are we wearing our twin brothers outfit? Okay.
Alright, put on this outfit. Oh, what's up, twin? Now put on these shoes that I have on.
Alright, I'll go. Alright.
Put on these shoes. It's down, man. Look. It's the second to last. It's sneakers. Yeah, that one. Now we twinsies. Go put it as your outfit. Go like.
Jenny, let me drive the police car. Get in with me.
Yeah, go save it as your outfit, cause I saved this one. What's his name again?
Come on, Iron Man. Iron Man, get in.
New Freezer. Oh, hey. Stanked up. Ooh.
Alright, I call my outfit twin.
Yo, bitch, don't know about my FB. Yo, he's. Hold up, what's that name? Bro, come to us. Come to the clothes store. Come to us, bro. Turn around. Alright. Tony, all three of y'all, that's it, my session, go to game chat, alright? Go to game chat. What's the name again? Are you in game chat, Tony? Tony, go in game chat. Go in game chat. Peace. Hey, I don't need her. Oh, put your top with eater. Ooh. Two-seater. Yo, my AP.
You're through to your garage. You, need me to bring you a ride?
What's that, bro? Hold up, I'm gonna call him my vehicle.
It's coming at you.
Where's that other dude at? Alright, it's almost here. Bro, why you kissing me, you nasty brother?
I didn't even kiss you.
You was kissing me.
That was like that issue.
Bro, go put on the outfit that I told you to put on, bro. Because I think you have enough money. You have enough money, yeah, go. What you doing? Go to the clothes store. No, don't shoot him. Don't shoot him. Bro, what you doing? Go in the clothes store. Go in the clothes store. Not you, Tony. Him. What? Go to the clothes store. Go to the clothes store. Go buy our outfits. Go buy our outfits. Stop. I'm your big brother. Stop it. Alright, I'm done not playing with y'all now. Y'all need to stop. Now. Stop. Well, hold up. It's telling me to kill you. You think you can? Bro, it told me to kill you because you abandoned it. Now you can join. What's the name again? If you think you can, go buy the outfit. You need to be my twin. Come on, just go. Oh, he's not in game chat. Alright, go to party chat and mute all of them except for him. Bro. Bro, go do the outfit. Go. I'm gonna tell you what to buy. Go, go. Go.
Go, red pants.
Go. Go in the store.
Go, red pants.
Go. You
Go
I
in the
see that.
store. The man is full. Mario, do not kill me when I ban myself, okay?
Bro, it's gonna keep on telling me to do that.
But don't kill me though.
How do I kick people?
Ready?
How do I kick people?
I do not know.
Stop shooting him. If I shoot you.
I had to. He's irritated. Mario! You tried to do it. Ball head sucker. I hear myself on the freaking thing.
Alright. Bro, go to the clothes store and go buy it.
He's a deaf person. He cannot hear you.
Go to the clothes.
You want me to kill him again?
No. Don't kill him.
If he shoot me once, I'm popping him.
No, please. Bro, I'm your big brother, so if you shoot him, I shoot you. If he shoots you, I shoot him. But we do look lit though.
Come on, fool, don't hit me. Hey, the cops shooting me.
You got cops. Ooh.
I met your twin.
Oh,
The
you're
twin
going
was
to
sticking up
sell
for
it?
another
Alright,
twin.
go sell it. Go sell it. Go sell it. What? It's keep on taking me off. Hold up. Let me
Blow
invite
my
you to my
vehicle.
motorcycle club. Let me invite
Blow
you to my
my
motorcycle
vehicle.
club. Both of y'all.
Sanjay, blow my vehicle. That BMX bike over there.
Huh?
Blow up that BMX bike over there.
Why? Where is
Cause I
it?
need to... Over here, fool.
Nah, I don't want no cops, bro. I don't want no cops.
Just get the cops and then I'll kill them for you. I got my gun out already. I got you.
Why?
Cause I don't want this vehicle.
Yeah.
Blow it up.
This girl is a bitch.
Put it down. Sit down, fool. I got
Bro,
you,
that
bro.
only took my $10. I only took $10.
$10.
$10, bro. That's not even a lot. Niggas just $10. Alright, do you have enough money now? Do you have enough money? What's his name again? Johnner? Whatever the hell your name is. I'ma call you
Jonathan.
Twin Brother 2. Twin Brother 2. Nigga want the static. Pocket G's. In the kitchen with to select a stir fry.
In the kitchen with put it like a stir fry.
In the kitchen with to select a stir fry.
Oh my god, you can see the birds fly. I said you can see the birds fly because there was a helicopter in the air.
No.
Oh! That was a roll shot! How did I kill him? I did a roll and then I jumped up in the air and I popped him right in the head by the time I hit the ground.
To select a stir fry! In the kitchen with to select stir fry!
Shot a hit. Oh, don't stick your finger on my mouth, you nasty mother sucker. He stick his finger up my mouth. What kind of man would do that?
Morse Mutual, how can I be of service?
Man, I fit in some of those.
I think we can do that.
That's what my dog's at the nut times.
Who's in
Alright.
to certify? I got a radio. Me a speaker. Certify.
What's the name again? Did you sell your bike?
Steph Curry certify.
Steph Curry what?
Is it certify? Certify.
It's stir
Oh my
fry.
God.
Stir fry.
Stay or fry.
From
Okay, I got
Migos. What? Like,
It says stir fry from Migos Clean.
yes, that one.
Okay, dang, man, I'll get in. Move already. Let me in. I got a speaker in here. It is not time. It is my guy. Okay, dang, stop running me over, fool.
Alright, I'll
man,
stop.
die.
I'll stop now. Did you lose health?
Nope. I'm on a PS3. I don't know if I lose health.
This is struggle. Bro, I have 100K on me. Hold up, bro. Do you know what you getting? Do you know what you getting? Cause I gotta tell you what to get. Alright, you got the pants. Hold on. Go to the shoes. Go to the shoes. Go to the shoes. Go to the shoes. Your outfit's not done yet. Shoes. Now go to sneakers and scroll all the way down to 36. 36. Are you at 36? Now buy the 36 one. Go to sneakers. Sneakers 36.
I got a bag. I started over.
36. I said 36. 36. That's not 36. 36
Oh, yeah, with the mirror
is the
light,
second
blah,
to
blah.
last. Is the second to last. Go to sneakers. Go to sneakers. Go to sneakers and scroll all the way down until you see 36. Click 36. Now you can just. You're so fast. Alright, come over here. Just buy the hat. What are you doing? No, don't buy nothing. Nothing. Buy the hat. Come. Now go to hats and go to caps forward. Caps forward and go to 34. Caps forward 34. It's called white off bigness cap. White off bigness cap. Go to freaking. Go to white. Oh my God. You already did? So let me see the hat then. Let me see this. Let me see this hat. Cause you're not finna wear that mask. Let me see the hat. Let me see the hat.
Stupid! Go to the freaking hat!
Bro, what the frick is in your ear, bro? What the frick is in your ear? Yeah, boy.
Get your butt over there with your nose out! Hey, check out those girls!
I hate when you look like that.
What is doing like freaking chunky? Burger. Burger. Bird fly.
Bro, let me see your hat. Let me see your hat. Put on the hat. Put on the hat. Go to the hat. Bitch, for the pattern. Alright. Go to the hat. Get the hat, bro. That's all I'm asking you to do. Just get the hat and let's go. Get the hat and let's go, bro. Just get the hat.
Pull the bands down.
Bro, I'm the littest one in here. I'm the first littest one. Dennis told me that is you. No, wait, but you don't have the sign, so it's him. Bro, put on the hat. Alright, let me tell you how to put on the hat. Oh, where's the hats? Where's the hats? Alright. I'll show you. Come to me. Where's the hat? Come to me. You want to know where the hat is? Come to me.
Right here.
It's over here. Right here. Go to the hats. Right there. Alright, now go to caps forward. Are you at caps forward? Because if you are, then I'll tell you. Alright, so when you go to caps forward, right? Scroll down to 34, and then get the white off bigness cap. 34 forward. White off bigness cap. If you can't get it, you broke as hell. Did you get the hat?
Bird fly.
Did you get the hat?
Bird fly. Talk it. Hey, what? Did I? Man, what you looking at, cuz? Now for the kiss your dirty lips.
Bro, we wasn't even kissing. Shut your. Bro, you wanna go, bro? You wanna go? Meet me outside, bro. Meet me outside. Since you wanna go, bro. No, go to. What I want you to go to is go to forward caps. Go to forward caps. Caps forward. And then scroll down to 34. Bro, turn down the music.
Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. But if it's certified, you can like, turn that stuff up.
Alright, did you get the hat? Did you get the hat? Yes or no?
That? That's mommy. What she want? Huh?
Did you get the hat?
What you turn it off for? Fool?
Text me if you got the hat. Text me if you got the hat. Oh, you gotta ride the store? Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
We taking my car. We taking my car. Tony, come on. We gotta rob the store.
I'm getting on a bike.
That's his.
No, that's mine.
Alright, get on, bro. We all gotta get cops.
Alright. That is
Bro,
not
what the frick? Get in, bro. Get in.
His bike. Oh, he wanna get in the back. I'm dead.
What?
That's stupid. Why she want to get in the back? So what? What's wrong with me?
And the bitch don't mind us. Get your fucking diamonds.
What?
Dang! Bitch.
Yeah. Whoa. Hold on. Walk it.
Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Oh.
Walk it like I talk it.
Talk it.
Walk it
Oh.
like I talk it.
Oh.
Walk it like I talk it.
Hey.
Walk it like I talk it.
Oh.
Walk it like I talk it.
Hey.
Walk it like I talk it.
Hey.
Walk it like I talk it.
What?
Walk it like I talk it.
Hey.
Walk it like I talk it.
What?
Walk it like I talk it.
Hey.
Walk it like I talk it.
Hey.
Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it.
Now let him rob it. Let him rob it.
Just get your guns ready. In case the cops come. Why he's still robbing it?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
That's my fucking
Alright.
Bro, do you have the special cover? Alright, the cops is coming. The cops is coming, bro.
Mine's not really customized like yours.
Alright.
They coming out here.
You can't say.
Hey, Sandra, he
Are
already
you ready? You ready? Alright, do you alright, call Lester now. Call Lester.
What's he called, Lester?
I'm calling him. I'm calling Lester. I'm calling Lester.
How can I be of service?
Alright, we don't got cops. Go to the clothes store now.
You're in trouble.
Walk it like I talk it.
No problem.
Walk it like I
Bro,
talk
there's one up here. Just go straight. Just go straight.
I gotta stay in my zone. Say that we been beefing, dog, with
it.
you.
Ain't right on.
First night, she gon' let me, cause we grown. I hit her, gave her back to the city, she home.
Oh.
That was bad, so I can't be beefing with no wag.
Oh.
Got no bad, bro. Heard you living in a mansion,
Oh.
and now your rats, though. But your shit look like the trap on his Google Maps, though. We been brothers since Versace band, though. Whoa. Ain't ringing like
But we
a
walking
trap,
deep.
oh.
We walking deep.
We was nasty as sand,
We look deep right now.
We live like some
There go. Talk it. Walk it like I talk
No,
it.
go to
Walk it
Hats.
like
Come on. Come to me. Come to me. Hats is right here. Hats is right here. Bro, you want some weed, bro? You want some weed?
Yeah, I'll take some.
Alright, wait. Alright. You got it?
Yep.
Alright. Alright, do you have the hat? You have the hat now. Alright. So put on your cap. No, put on your... Now go to the interaction menu. Go to the interaction menu. Go to the interaction menu. Now go down to style. Go down to style, right? And put your hood up. Alright. Now go to the outfits. Go to save and save that outfit. Save that outfit. Save it. No. Don't save it. Not yet.
Man, you put that blood out there too.
Walk it like I talk. Just my bro, you know the lingo. Ain't no walk it talk. It's some you know I don't know. Throw that on that coffee.
Now we gotta do it all over again.
I'll call you later. Alright. Nah. Put on your crew envelope. People, be quiet. Put on your crew envelope. No, go put back on that outfit. Dang, I don't want to talk so loud. You gotta listen. Turn off the music now. Just turn it off, so you can hear me correctly. Bro, put on that outfit. Put on this outfit. Put on. So now you gotta do this one. Who?
Peace. Hey, brother. I gotta go. Peace.
Yes.
Man,
Alright.
what you ain't wanna fight?
Come on, come on. Go to the tops, go to tops, go to tops. Go to tops. Now go to hoodies, go to hoodies. And then when you're at hoodies, right? Go to... Oh, hold up. Wait. Alright, when you're at hoodies, right? Go to Ash Long Jean. Long Jean hoodie. The Ash one. Go to Ash. Yeah. Alright, go to pants. Come on. Go to pants. Where's the pants at? Pants is over here. Come on. Pants is over here. Alright, now go to leather pants. And go to the second of leather pants. Alright, now go to shoes. Where the shoes at? Where the shoes at? Alright, the shoes over here. Shoes over here. Shoes over here. Now go to sneakers. And go to those ones that you had on. Those white ones. You don't have enough money for the white ones with the... Get the last two. Go to sneakers. Alright. No. Let's go. Go to hats. Nah, wait, don't save the outfit yet. Go to hats. Right? And then go to caps forward and then put on the off-white bigness cap. Off-white bigness cap. It's 34. Or do you have it? But it wants static. Alright, hold up. Don't save it yet. Now go to tops. And then go to crew emblem. Put on your crew emblem. Wait, no, first. Put on your hoodie. Put on your hoodie now. No, it's not on the back of you. Now you go. Now you put on the crew emblem. Do you have it? Alright, now save the outfit. Save the outfit now.
I guess when I saved it, I had this earplug in my ear.
Why do you have the earplug in your ear? Really?
Really, nigga. I didn't notice.
I can easily change my outfit because I have it saved in. So let me just do this glitch real quick.
What?
Let me do this glitch real quick.
I got too much outfits, don't I? I got 20 outfits.
Alright, I just did this glitch right now. Bro, put on back the hood, put on back the thing. Put on back the thing. Alright. Oh, let me change my outfit into it. Alright, then we gonna start up a ring fight. Alright, I'm gonna invite both of y'all to the ring fight. And we can just start it up. Walk it like I talk it. Ooh, walk it like I talk it.
He don't look like us. He ain't got his...
Talk it. Ooh,
he ain't got his hat. He don't got his hat on. Yes, he is. Put on your hood.
Did you go and eat the thing? I told you that's not microwave.
Put on your shoes too, fool.
I forgot that you told me that.
He's changing the stuff again. Right there. For real?
Yeah, 15 seconds first, okay?
Alright, good job. That was kind of quick. No, those like freaking 20 times. I'm gonna bait this lady. I your mouth like a piece of burger. I'm going first person. Look at this eyebrow. Your eyebrows look like
Alright, I'm gonna invite y'all.
Oh my god!
I'm gonna invite y'all.
They crusty. Look at your lip. Like you. Talk about it. What's up? You wanna fight? What's up? I'm like, yo.
Go and join.
I'm like,
What's his name again?
you mean?
I need him to join.
Do you want me to unmute those people?
No. It's gonna be more sound and you could barely even hear me.
You want me to put on the music again?
No.
Why?
Cause, wait, do you have that new speaker? It's called Siri. It's called the HomePod.
Yeah. Yeah, I got it.
There's my dog, my dog, there's my dog, there's my dog.
I play sing the song. I know the whole.
Why is he not joining? Join. Like, what is, he's not scared.
Why you started?
I didn't. It starts by itself when people don't join.
I got the VVSICU. Cool. Juice. Grab it on my juice. I got some on my neck. Ooh, blood on my skin. So I get up to press ready.
No.
Hey.
Mom.
Hey.
Got that sticky thing. You got that sticky thing on the table. No, what is it called again?
What? I'm in first person. Wait. I'm in first person still. Yeah, that dude. I wanna see. Hey, I was in first person. Hey, you irritating. You don't freaking listen. Stupid. The wrong way. Now let me get my kill back.
I don't know.
Shay. Sleep. Shay, let me get my kill back. Cause you killed me when I wasn't ready.
Bro, do you know how to chop?
Nope. Yes. Let me try it. You still trying to chop me? No.
Chop me.
No.
What are you doing? Nah, hit me
I'm
one more
trying to.
time and watch.
I'm not trying to. Okay. I'll try to chop you. Stop moving then. Wait, this how you supposed to do it?
Yes.
Yay! My first chop.
That's not your first chop.
I got that VVSICE. Ooh. Oh, dang, I missed. No. Oh yeah, that's how you're supposed to dodge a chop. Every time somebody from the chop, you just gotta jump, and then it'll just turn into a punch. Look, oh, you about to chop me? Look at you. No. We twins, and nobody. That's why everybody leave it, because they know we twins. Come on, fool. Stop running around. Boom! I got a hit. Ow. What? Yo, what? What you hit? I died, you fool. Stop laughing before I go for real. That does it.
Walk it like I'm talking. 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 Walk it like I'm talking.
Walk it like I'm talking. Hey, walk it like I'm talking. 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 Hey, walk it like I'm talking. Walk it like I'm talking. Walk it like I'm talking. Let's go.
That's my fucking body.
people. Don't push me! You push me! Bitch. Don't motherfucking hit me. Bitch. Don't hit me. Bitch.
Nah, you running around. You try.
You running around too, fool.
I know, but I didn't run around that time. Look at you.
I don't even know. You running around too.
Jump it.
I ain't jumping at the fool. You ain't finna chop me.
Who said I was though?
You always chop me. Every freaking ring fight we do, you always chop me. Unless we on teams. No! No! I licked the pole while you hit me down. Don't let me lick that pole again. That stuff tastes like poop. It tastes like pig poop. I think it's pig poop. Cause pigs be in here. Food. Ooh. Ooh. No! What did I miss? No, you're going. No! No! Bro, you glitch fight! You cheater!
Bro, you was just glitch fighting. You shouldn't be talking.
No, I didn't. I just push and push. And then I ran around to hit you.
You said that I chopped you.
Bruh. No. Hop. What? You don't look at me!
Who said hello? Who said hello? Oh, what's up, Wild?
This bitch. This motherfucker just shot me. And this nigga said his motherfucking said, no, you better not stop me, nigga. Bitch, that's why I still got up. Bitch. Oh shit. Oh, you ain't chopping me, bitch. I want smoky, nigga. They be like, you got knocked off. Fuck out, get my money, nigga. Hey, like it. Whoa, okay, dude. Hey, knock the nigga out. That's what I
Nah,
can't
you was
do.
just glitch fighting. Now I'm a glitch fight.
No, I did glitch fight.
No. I just showed you glitch fighting. No.
Wait, I did glitch fight. How did I do that?
No, bro.
Oh, no, I glitch fight. No, I don't know how to glitch fight about punch. I don't know about glitch fight about.
Bro, look at you. You're glitch fighting.
I was just glitch fighting about punching. Let's go. What?
My God, bro, you glitch fighting right now.
I finally know how to glitch fight, but sometimes it might not work, so don't glitch fight me sometimes. But if I glitch fight once, just glitch fight. You know, nigga, you just have to knock me out like that. Okay, I'll stop trying to glitch fight. I'm steady using R2 when every time I punch. I'm trying to glitch fight. No. Hey, what the freak? I'm Superman. I didn't even hit you that time. On my script, I didn't even. What was that? You hit me in the jaw with a freaking fist. You better not chop me though. Bro, you're not even near me. You say chopping me. Hey, stop freaking chopping people.
Learn how to do it.
You learn how to stop.
No. I don't need to stop.
Okay, knock you out now. You're getting me angry. I'm quitting.
Why? What if the people that spectated and it's 3-on-3? What if it's 3-on-3 and you're on my team, man? And what's that other guy's name? Exactly.
I would still have left.
Wait, nah, you have quad. You trash.
No, you didn't. You had low health when I kept punching you.
No, I didn't. I never had low health. I was half health.
You did have low.
I hate when you do that. Stop doing that, man. Now I'm gonna chop you.
Me.
I never do that to you. Be quiet.
Yes, you did. Bro. I'm quit.
Nah, don't quit. Don't rage quit. Don't rage quit. Don't rage quit. He's the gods of raging. He's the gods of raging. Bro, y'all want to join my ring fight? Y'all want to join my ring fight? 3-on-3? What you said? You say you don't want to do it? Do you want to do it or not? Oh, Jamie was spectating me.
I was too bad.
I know. I'm gonna invite y'all now so we can do a 3-on-3. Huh? Nah, you join me. You join me. I'm gonna invite you. I invited you. I invite all y'all. What's up, Jamie? Alright, I'll start it. I hope what's his name again? That's in my crew is on my team. Spam X. If you're in my crew, spam X. Spam X. 89 spam X to be on my team. Spam it. No! Bro, why would you spam it? Why would the other person that's not on my team spam it? I don't want to be on your team. Mom, this tastes burnt. Hello, don't kill me yet. This tastes burnt. Taste it. Taste it. I don't want anything. It tastes disgusting. Dang, I just punched you in your mouth and made you fly. Tony, why you left the party? Bro, we was just about to start up a 3-on-3. You was just about to start up a 3-on-3, but you left. Alright, so spectators, Tony, spectators. You and 89 might be on my team. Just spam X and spectators. Bro, it's only 18 minutes.
It was a private session. Don't remember?
Huh? I'm finna chop your friend. Jamie, I'm gonna fight him. Jamie, I'm gonna fight him. Not you. I wanna fight him. We wasn't. Bro, it said that. It said that he beat you up. Yeah, we tried to, but it didn't work out, so.
I'm home.
Ooh, you know, he. And we wasn't double teaming.
My hoverboard.
Why? Why you left?
Y'all not in y'all outfits. Sandra, y'all not in y'all outfits.
Stop kill. Bro, I wanted to take that kill. Oh my god, Jamie.
If I'm to the wait, y'all.
I don't care if you got
them?
it first.
Y'all unmuted them? Sandra.
Yeah, we unmuted them. Bro, we're gonna have a 3-on-3, alright? We're gonna have a 3-on-3, so after this match, everybody leave it. Jamie, you leave it. Cause it's 20 minutes. Nobody wanna do this for 20 minutes. Leave it, Jamie.
Make the party limit on 6.
Alright. Put it on 6. Hold up. Wasn't it another person in this party? There was 7 people in the party. Oh. Alright, so I'm gonna start it up and invite all y'all. So we can do the 3-on-3.
Do replay.
Huh?
Do replay.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna invite y'all now. I invited y'all. Yeah, I invited y'all already. Join! Johnny. Tony, join.
My game's still loading.
Oh, it's loaded? Are you guys joining?
Whoa, I'm in somebody different. I was in different.
Wait. Okay.
Mine's still loading for some reason.
Okay.
Wash my hands with that thing.
Okay. I'll join.
Alright, y'all in? Tony's in.
Tony, wait. Tony is not in. Okay, now I am. That's 4 of us. Kick that DJ. He's not in a party. What the? It just made me quit.
Tony, why did you leave?
It made me.
And why is y'all not joining it? It started. Join quick. What phone at?
Mine's not working.
I'm getting double teamed.
Real quit.
Oh my god. He's gonna let me get double teamed.
I don't care. I'm enjoying it.
Huh?
I'm enjoying it.
You're joining?
I said I'm in.
Bro, it's 3 seconds. Yup, it started. Now you gotta wait 10 minutes. You gotta wait 10 minutes. No jumping. Stop jumping. No, you keep on jumping me.
Let's fight them then.
You're trying to jump me.
You stupid. I don't know what jumping is. Oh, Jamie Carr said he only 6. Man, Jamie, you shouldn't have cursed. I'm gonna whoop your butt.
Y'all jumping right now? Look at you.
Jamie don't know what jumping is.
He always jumping. Can't never stop. That's why I lag running and I chop y'all. Cause y'all annoying.
He said
I know what chopping means. It means hit somebody in the neck.
You don't really even know to say chop. He just said chat.
Yup, he said chat. Jamie, stop! Would you stop, man? Like... What you get? No, I'm not. It's called glitch fighting. Every single time I glitch fight him, he always says I'm using brass knuckles.
I do.
He is using brass knuckles.
I'm not.
I said that you're doing using brass knuckles. You don't really fucking two times when you die.
Stop running. Why are you running away from me? I'm not rushing. You keep on jumping. That's what you're doing. Exactly, like.
Six. He's 6.
You need something, huh? One of your rides? Let me know. I'll get there.
That's why he don't know stuff.
I'm not using rice. Quiet. No, I'm not.
The broad knockout.
He keeps on calling glitch fighting grass.
He said,
Jamie, don't rage quit. Don't rage quit. Nah, cause they gotta play 2 and we gotta do a 3-on-3. Nah, he rage quit. He rage quit. He's trash. Yup. Dude is a rager. No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't. I wasn't even using brass. Bro, every single time I glitch fight him, he calls that using brass knuckles. Boy, don't let me get at you.
And now you wanna act like
Exactly like. It's Jamie.
he mad. Oh!
He mad. Chop.
Kick him out. Just kick him out.
Alright guys, after the 3 minutes is done, then I can invite you. Or, bro, he voted to kick me. What he knows is not gonna work unless I vote to kick myself. He's teleported now. Somebody's teleporting.
why you do it? I said, why you do that?
What, like glitch fight? Why you always lying? Why you always lying? Why you always lying? Why you always lying? Why you always lying?
Ooh, oh my god. Why you always lying?
Bro, everybody that's
Oh my
spectating,
God.
everybody's that's spectating. Everybody that's spectating and that's in here is in my crew. So when I'm finished, Tony and what's his name again? Magnock 89. When this is finished, cause there's only 2 minutes left. Now is 1 minute. Yeah. So when it's finished, right? Yeah, when it's finished, right? Then join. Shoot what? No, it wasn't.
That ain't not do no grass here.
I wasn't glitch fighting. And how am I jumping you when I had nobody on my team and you was jumping me? What?
Oh, that feels so fun. Oh my god, you stupid! What grade you in? How? I'm probably in the I'm alright, baby. I gotta be in first because of that. I had to get in first place.
Hey, I see the blood leader. For KSG. I see a blood leader.
I'm not first place because of that.
Big, ooh, weave, Oh, Tony, it finished. So now y'all can join. It finished. You can join now.
Yeah, you must go.
Alright, Tony, now you can join.
Okay, hey.
Cállate,
Bitch, I'm disabled.
cállate, palo. Cállate. Bottom. Yo, Lopert. Okay. Alright, Tony, join. Tony and Jamie, join. Jamie and Tony, join. I'm not using brass knuckles. I won't use brass knuckles then. I won't use brass. I won't use brass then. No. Hey, I'll get it. No. What's his name again? No, you're not getting it. What's his name again? Oh,
sorry.
Nah, bro. Spam X. Spam X. Tony. Oh my freaking god, bro. I hate when people keep on joining.
Only PJ your friend.
Paper! Oh my god, bro.
Come on, keep on pressing X.
Huh? He's keep on trying to get my ball, but I'm gonna lock it in here.
Keep on pressing X.
I locked it in there. So he don't get it.
Keep on pressing X.
Shh. Don't yell so much.
You yell?
No!
Who?
He didn't press X.
Who turned them slippers because I'm waiting for
He did. No, it was me. It was me that did.
right there by the door.
It was with Iron.
What the frick is that coming out of his mouth? Andre, you see that? What's coming out of his mouth? Oh, that's nasty. He's drinking his pee. It's on his mouth and it's on his nut.
No, he's in my crew. He's in my crew.
He's gay. He's drinking his pee. Don't fight our teammate. Come on, blood. Fight me, blood. And they dumping me, Shay. They jumping me. Don't booty, Shay. Well, let them jump me like that. Hey, I'm finna double team this green dudes.
Dang! How they kill me?
Oh, I know how to glitch fight. Yeah.
Nah, don't glitch fight. Don't glitch fight.
Oh, they glitch
Only
fighting
y'all
me,
can.
so I'm glitch fighting back.
Chop.
Good job. Chop. Take the chop. One of these dudes got bras knuckles. I'm a sofa now. Ah, y'all wanna hop in there? What's up, fool? Better not hop in there.
Why is it 2 blood
Bro,
leaders?
he's glitch fighting. Bro, he's glitching. He's glitching. He was glitching. I beat him up and then he glitched through me. Watch out, there's 2 dudes coming. I got that king of the bloods. There's 2 kings of the blood.
It's called a blood leader. It's called a blood leader.
That blood leader steady killing me. There's 2 blood leaders.
No, there's 3. There's 3. There's 1 on my team.
I'll kill that blood leader.
Nah, the blood leaders.
Help me! Help me!
Dang.
I killed the blood
they
leader.
just knocking me out.
I killed the blood leader.
Where's Jonah at?
Well, we gotta kill it. We gotta double team the blood leaders. Bitch.
YouTube.
Come here, bitch. What is glitching? They just glitching. The blood leaders are glitching. Ranger, do not take the blood leaders by yourself because they be glitching too much. Let's go. Ranger, help. Oh no. Oh no. Fool. What think you fighting, fool? You hit my team, but you hit me too. Hurry up before those blood leaders come in.
Bro, ask your mom for your what? He doesn't have bass.
They like ping. My character be acting like he got shot or something.
Bro, you took my kill. I had that.
I had to use it up to die.
No, it wasn't.
Bro, one of those blood leaders are freaking act like
always
them,
freaking
man.
taking my stuff.
It's a blood leader right here. Kill him, hurry up. Hey, Sanjay, come get the skills, yours. Never mind. This dude named DJ is freaking crazy. He's glitching everyone, punching and stuff. Oh, he's getting knocked out by 2 blood leaders. I got you, blood. Oh no. Knock him out.
Nah, let me take that kill.
Knock him out, Sanjay. What the frick y'all glitching? I see both of y'all glitching. Dookie. Oh, Sanjay, I got you, bro.
We'll beat him up.
Who think you jumping?
Alright, turn that off, bro.
That ain't me. That ain't Tony no more.
That's my song, but like, not right now.
Why is he steady hopping it? How much is it? I know he's not hot. Wait, stop hitting me, fool. You on my team. Bro, that freaking dude killed me.
Bro, what my teammate doing? What's my... Who kicked him?
Kicked who? You kicked her, so fight me there, fool. Ooh, you right here.
Bro, stop. I wanted to get that
he
chop.
He freaking killed me. Help me.
I can't help you if you're not helping me.
I got you. Alright, get that kill. I'll let you get the rest.
I gotta chop him.
Watch out when we use blood. Come here. Bro, he's freaking fight glitching. I don't know how. He punch. That's how he's fighting. I'm going to jump zone, so I might not be on the game forever. When y'all go on the roof? I got this dude. When y'all go on the roof and then you go try to run off. I told you. Did he kill you?
Bro, this is a lit fight. But we need to be on the same team, though. Now, Tommy, let me get that kill. Oh, my God, bro.
I thought you had to kill.
No. You thought nothing. Oh, he's taking my kills, bro.
Okay, come get this. What the? Sanjay, I need your help, bro.
He doesn't understand that I'm a chopping god.
Me.
No, help me! Oh my god! What are you doing?
Oh shoot!
Ah! No, stop running and fight them!
There's 3 of them.
I don't care.
If he stops me, I'm knocking him out.
You see me running? No. I only run to try to chop them.
Okay, get him. Get your partner. Whatever he is, our twin. Get your twin. I ain't find that blood dude over there. He a ghost fighter.
Bro, come on. We could jump him.
I know. That's why I say I ain't fighting him. Oh my freaking god! How they gonna be blood leaders if they running? Watch this. Hop it. Look at him. He gonna hop this one. Look at him. Where he go? You don't understand what they doing? No! I was about to chop him. Before he moved. Get knocked out.
Chop?
What the? He was in the air. Who just farted? He just farted.
It's called chop out of nowhere.
You did chop him out of nowhere. Okay. You gotta chop him. I'll make sure nobody comes for you. Okay, get him. Let me get this kill. Whoa! Shay! He's shading! Shay, what the frick is he using? He had low health. I could tell.
Buck size. But I'm the highest player that has most of the kills. No, I'm not. What? Oh. Nah, I know why. Because you keep on stealing my kills.
Wait, who got the most kills? Knocked out, fool. Okay, Shay, this your kill, so I'm gonna let you get it. Wait, what? He chopped me? I was running. Thank you. Chop, though. How the freak you run and chop? That's weird. It's a blood chase you.
I know.
I got him.
Chop. Why you never chopped him, bro? You had 2 stumbles.
I just chopped him. You didn't see it.
You never chopped him. You just hit him.
I literally just chopped him.
No, you did.
My screen, I chopped him.
No, you did.
My screen, I chopped him. Your stuff messed up.
You did. You're not gonna chop me today.
How you get that kill? I got your teammate over.
What? No, let me chop him. Let me chop him.
I want me to get a chop.
Oh my god.
Man, you got all the chops already.
No. Cause you keep on stealing my kills, and every single time I'm not the most valuable player. I need to be.
This blood finna try to kill you. No.
I need to teach you how to stumble chop.
Let's go, he didn't kill me.
You're the most valuable player. I wanted to be the most valuable player. I'll be stealing somebody's. We're gonna restart this. And this time, spam X. Spam X. What's that other dude? Is he in a party? No, join the other party. Join my party. Bro, spam X this time, bro. Spam X this time. Not you, Killer Fun. I don't want you on my team. I want, what's his name again? What's his name again? I want Jonah 89 to be on my team. Stop. Don't spam X. The person that was on my team, don't spam X.
Hello?
Tell me. Spam X, Jonah, spam X. Jonah 80. Spam X like crazy. No, don't. Alright, Jonah. I told Jonah to spam X. Spam X. Jonah. Spam X like crazy. Spam X like crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. He's spamming it, but it's not working because I know why it's not working. Because last time it didn't work. Because I wanted to leave the party. That's why. Why are you leaving? He quit for some reason. Nah, let me take that kill. Oh my god, bro. You were always doing something. No, it wasn't. It was nothing. You always jumping in somebody's fight. Actually, it's not true. Actually, it's not. I died in that one, right? Yeah, what's up? Nah, let him get up. Chop. Let him get up. Nah, last time you didn't let me. What? Yo, yo. Oh my God, No, he's teleporting. That's what people do. Chop. Oh, you know how to do the glitch to put the hat with the mask. Oh wait, I forgot. I told you how to do it. No, he's gonna. You hop it. Nah, let him get. No, get it. Let him get. Oh my God, Tony, stop doing that. No, annoying. I don't care. Chop. Do it though.
Trish. Yeah. You didn't hear me? When I was standing by the door, you didn't hear me? I said, can you bring me some slippers because the floor is wet.
I only heard when you said something about paper.
I said, after that, I said, paper, let me stand on your back. Okay? I got some. I found clothes on the floor.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
I should have chopped them. Now let me chop him. Look at this. Run around chop.
Huh?
You see that? What's good? I just run around chop them.
Jump over the fence. You can't jump over it? Oh.
Get his G gang. Chop. Bro, I'm a chopping god, bro. Huh?
I'm trying to hear my show.
Ooh, let me get that green dude. Let me fight this green dude.
You feel me?
Ooh, who's they jumping? He chopped me out of nowhere.
They jumped me.
Yeah, cause you didn't want you said you wanted to take the kill. You never. Bro, they haven't got a chop on us once. Nah, let him get up.
That was my kill anyway. I told you I'm fighting him pretty. I'll fight the blood too, unless you tell me. What the freak? He was like 5 hits.
He glitch fighted. Oh my God, Tony, what are you doing, bro? They jumped you and you don't want revenge? Like, what are you doing? They jumped you and you don't want revenge? Like, what is this? Like, now you're not working for the teammates now?
He's a mother. He just turned to my head.
He trying to do the gun glitch, but I'm keep on killing him. Chop.
Oh, shoot.
Nah, he's a teleporter. I chopped him. I chopped him, but it said that I battered him. Nah, wait. Nah, let me get him. Ooh, the blood leader coming over here. I still killed him. No, we don't care. We only worrying about us. We only worrying about us right now. We don't care about him. Cause he not playing. Chop. Whoa! He chopped me for the first time. But you got 5 kills. Oh, I thought that was somebody else. Bro, but you really need to ask your mom for your password so you can join my crew. Bro, ask your mom for your email so you can be in my crew. So when she gets here, ask her. Get off my ass. Get off my ass. Get off my ass. Morazo ka. Oh. Hold up, bro. You wanna be our twin? Killer, you wanna be our twin? Alright. Oh, make sure you have the crew emblem on your back. Nah, you add me, cause he just killed me. Add me, quick. You can do it from your phone. Nah, I'ma add you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Bro, why all that time that you was alive you didn't do the gun glitch? What's his name again? Tony. Tony, add him too, so I can add him too. Oh, he did the gun glitch. He did it. Get off. Get off my mans. That's what you get, boy. Oh, this dude got brass. I'm out. Nah, kill him. Oh my God, Tony. No, I don't care. You supposed to jump now. You supposed to jump now. Hold up. Nah, everybody come in here. Quick. Everybody come in here, quick. And go into chop mode. So whenever they jump in there. Come on, get in. Get in, get in. Jump, 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 jump. Bro, I told you to come over here, but you're not listening.
Kill him, you was trash. Don't let me hop in, don't let me hop in. Thank you for hopping in.
Kick him. Let's go. Bro, cover my back. Cover my back. Go on chop mode. Cover my back, bro. Because I'm doing the glitch. I'm doing the glitch. Cover my back. Chop gods don't get brass knuckles, but if it's two people that has brass knuckles, bro, nah, bro, we can't do that. Wait, did you friend request me? Oh yeah, he did, bro. Me too. You don't got no motorcycle club? Yeah. Abuelita, 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 abuelita. Bro, what the frick? I'm trash at what? Bro, I got 22. Both of y'all got 8. What? Bro, where is y'all at? Bro, I'm doing a broadcast right now. How did he execute you? How did he chop you? Bro, look at my gun. Bro, I got the Uzi. I got the Uzi on me. I got the Uzi. He chopped you.
He's gonna kill you.
No, Be quiet. Alright, after this, everybody go to free mode, alright? So Killer could change into our outfit. No. Oh my God. How you let him kill me? Who? Who's trash? You only killed me because I forgot. I thought that was Tony. Now I thought that was what's his name again? Killer. I thought that was Killer. That's Holly. Jump in there, Tony. Just jump in there. He's gonna try and jump out. Me too. Who's back? Woo! I'm hiding in here. We gotta win! No! We gotta win! Hey. Sorry. Let's go. We still won, even though I died. We still won, even though we died. Well, I died. Alright, go to free mode now. Taking a seat, but just back in the time when we I've been running, gotta jump me back. Tony! Dilate. Tony, Killer! Get money, get money, get money, get money. Bro, what's up, girl? What's up, bro? Invite Tony to the session, bro. Really? No, stop. We gotta go get the outfit. Bro! What are you doing? Nah, you owe me a kill, bro, cause I didn't do nothing to you. You owe me a kill. Give me my chop back. Give me my chop back. My chop back. I can't hear you. Oh wait, join my party. Join Tony's party. Bro. Bro, join Tony's party. Join Tony's party. No, join my party. What's good, bro? Join our session, cause I'm in his.
Invite him to the party.
No, I'm in his. I'm in his session right now.
But invite him to the party.
Invite me to what party?
I said invite him. It's private.
Alright, I'll invite him. Nah, don't drop me. Oh god, bro, this dude is annoying.
Oh.
Him.
The dude you just met?
Huh? Kill him.
The dude I
Kill him.
invite to the party?
Yeah, that's why I'm inviting him too. Alright, I invited him. I invited him.
Dog.
Bro, what's his name again? Tony, I'm gonna invite you to the session, alright?
I'm in your session.
Nah, I'm talking about Tony.
Oh. Okay, I'm in your session. Okay, I'm doing it. You ain't even on them out. Hey.
Alright, join.
Hey, please. Where'd you go?
No, you gotta put the outfit on.
Oh, doing a thing. They left me all the way down in that way. Ah, dang. Go to the clothes store near the scissor shop. Get that freaking haircut. This is my outfit. Man, let me go see this one. I'm gonna pop a cap in your head. No, I got my outfit now.
Ow! Chip. The corn chips.
Hey Sanjay, do it cost money to do that cool stuff? Sanjay. Sanjay!
Yeah.
It do cost money?
Huh?
It costs money to do that cool stuff. Come on, Shay.
Alright, wait.
Why is that in the limo? That ugly limo.
Go to
Yay!
tops. Go to tops. Alright, scroll down to hoodies. Scroll down to hoodies.
Long way.
No, hoodies. Just put on hoodies. Alright.
I'm gonna leave this boot.
Are you in the hoodies category?
Wait, let me leave this boot real quick.
Bro, just put on your hoodie. No. Go to hoodies. Are you at hoodies?
Yeah, I'm at hoodies.
Alright, go to 64.
64.
Are you at 64?
Yeah, I'm at 64.
Alright, buy it.
Alright.
Alright, follow me.
Wait, I gotta put
Go to pants. Go to pants.
I gotta put my crew emblem on.
No, not yet. Not yet.
I put it on already.
Oh my god. Come on, go to pants. Go to pants. Alright, scroll down until you see leather pants.
Leather. I got leather.
Alright, now you see is the second white leather.
Wait.
Is the second.
Wait, it's called white leather low something.
Yeah.
Hey, them little bitty pants.
Alright, do you have them?
Now what?
Alright, go to shoes. Where the shoes at? The shoes is over here.
Hey, Sanjay.
Over here.
Be in your crew.
Alright, go to the sneakers. And then go to 36.
I got them on already.
Alright, now go to hats. Go to hats right here. Right here. And then go to forward. Go to forward caps.
Wait, I know what I'm doing.
Dude!
Okay, Sanjay. Look at your crew.
Go to forward.
I want the forward.
Alright, now scroll down to 34.
I got it.
You got it? Alright, put your hoodie on. Hold up, now go to tops.
Go to tops.
Now put your crew emblem on.
My crew emblem in there. Oh.
Now save that outfit.
As what?
Topping KSG.
Topping KSG.
Yeah. That's what I put mine for.
Okay. You said topic. KSG.
Topping KSG. Or just put KSG.
Topic. Okay, I'll put topic KSG.
Alright. So now
He ain't even in
you
the
got the
crew.
whole squad.
He not even
He
in
don't
the
got
crew.
it. He don't got it because he forgot his email.
And I'm typing my email right now.
Wait, you are?
Yes, duh. I told you that. I kept on screaming your name and you didn't answer.
Let's go.
It's
Hold up.
803 people
Wait,
in the
you're
crew
doing the
already.
crew thing? You're doing the crew thing?
Yes, I gotta do a password. Give me. I gotta ask my daddy what's the password.
Wait, does it say create?
What you say?
Does it say create password?
No, just password.
Put anything like Joey.
The first letter gotta be capital.
Yeah, capital. And then you have to have the
I'm just putting my name. I'm just putting my name and just say my height.
Put Tony 20.
That's not my name. What's your name? Tony. Okay. Now we gotta get an all-white car with our crew emblem on it. No, we gotta get an all-white car.
I have a car. It's a 4-door and it's a drop top.
You're through to your garage.
Okay, my drop top. I ain't got this.
Yeah, it's a drop top and it's 4-door.
It costs too much.
I'll bring it to you.
No, I have it already. No, I'm getting my car.
Okay.
I'm getting my car. We getting my car.
What you want? Some wheels?
Come on, it's over here.
Oh, I gotta do a 2-step password.
Oh, it's over here. Come on. Look. It's drop top and it's 4-door.
They said what this account is Circus Bar. What the? I don't get this. God, I put a different email or something.
What's your password that you put?
Well, I didn't put nothing yet.
Put your password.
I don't know my password. It's been a long time ago since I missed that password. They said this is by 2-step. What is 2-step?
Nah. Did you put your password yet? Are you putting it?
I don't know what to put as my password.
Just put Tony Mason 20. Put the T capital. Tony Mason 20.
T-O-N.
Tony Mason 20.
Oh. What'd you say? Tony what?
Tony Mason. Tony Mason 20.
The M gotta be capital.
Yeah. The T has to be the capital. The T.
What kind of car we finna get? And the M. I'm driving this red car out here. I'm the leader.
Bro, that's my car.
I know I'm the leader though, so this I gotta drive.
You are not the leader.
So I'm still driving.
She is 4-door. I could go in the back.
Tony. How the fuck you spell Mason? This dope. M. Rockstar dope.
M-O.
O.
S.
S.
O-N. O-N. Alright, did you put 20?
Nah, I'm not sure, and I was just still here. They said too much letters. You cannot. Y'all come out here. Y'all want to do rich kids in the hood?
Sure. But that's my car.
Okay. No, I'm driving though. It's your car, but I'm still driving in the video.
Bet.
Cause I'm
wait, I
the
took you
YouTuber.
up.
You cannot do that. Oh, bro, I thought you were gonna snatch me out. Okay, come on. Cause it's hers.
Bro, but we need more people because we gotta have a school bully.
Alexa, did you buy some toenail clippers?
Get in.
You buy some words.
Okay, good.
Hold up, I'm gonna be the school bully because I'm a chopping god.
Okay. But you ain't driving this car though.
Huh?
Sanjay,
I never had a
password.
You never had a password?
Yes. Is he gonna get in or not, bro? What that mean if I don't have a password? What you still tell me! Done there, bro.
Hold up, if you don't have a password, how did you make this account?
I don't know.
Nah, bro.
I think my family uses
Let me put the waypoint to the school.
I know what it is.
So what are you doing?
Swerving through traffic.
Alright, stop doing that now. Stop doing that.
I'm a rich kid. My house right here.
Yeah, I'm not
I ain't never seen a $60 for the $40 bill. Y'all rich kids?
20, 60,
Go pick up your brother.
65, 67, 68.
Hey, call me to come pick you up. This the rich nigga apartment. Come on.